Hi everyone, and today we're going to bake muffins. First, we have to get the ingredients. Three, two, one. Look, we got the ingredients, and we got blueberry muffin mix, eggs, milk, and oil. First, we're going to remove the extra ingredients and get a baking bowl. Okay, now we've got our baking bowl. So then now we're going to pour the blueberry muffins. We got a whisk. Thanks, Krister. So now we're going to have to pour the blueberry muffin. We're going to open it. This will take a bit. We have to open it carefully so we don't rip the box. All right. We've got it out. We've got the flour bag out of the box. So now we're going to put the flour in the baking bowl. Three, two, one, zero. All right, we put the flour in the baking bowl and we put the bag back in the box. And we got our whisk. Just going to mix it around a little bit. So now we can put that thing away. Three, two, one. Ah, I'm done with that. So move that to your side, and let's just whisk it around for a little bit. But first, the instructions say we're gonna need some eggs. So eggs will appear in my hands. Three, two, one. All right, we've got two eggs. Move the whisk aside, and let's crack open the eggs. Let's be careful not to put the shell in the flour. All right, we got that one. We're gonna open the second egg. Yes, we didn't get any of the shells into the flour. That's good. Dusty hands. And now let's get some milk. Let's open the milk and pour some milk inside. Maybe we'll need a little bit more. Yeah. All right, that's enough. Let's put the milk aside and let's grab some oil. We have a little bit inside it. Yeah, I think that's enough. And let's whisk, 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 whisk. Or stir. Have to get the corners too. All right. Do you want to skip? Three, two, one. All right, we finished. I finished whisking, so here it is. Next, we're gonna have to get the baking tray pan. All right, we're going to need a baking tray. It fell down. Well, we're gonna fill this up. First, we're gonna have to put oil on the bottom so it doesn't stick. The oil is kind of sticky. So we're gonna need a tool, this tool. There's not much oil left, but we can use what's left. So one drop in each. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Now we're going to have to use the tool to put the oil all around the baking tray so the muffins don't stick. We'll skip at this, and all right, we finished the last one. There we go. And now we're going to need, okay, just finish stirring. But now we're going to need a cup to put everything inside. Yeah. So here it is. And we're going to just take scoops of it. Yeah. I forgot to put oil on it. Make sure to wash your hands before baking, guys. Let's put a heat. Let's put one. Let's do the first one. Yeah, let's do this really quick. Alright, we're almost done. Just 4 more left to go. 3, 2, 1. Alright, we have finished. And right now, let's go put it in the oven. Alright, let's go get the baking tray and put it in the oven. I have the baking tray and let's go put it in the oven right now. Let me put the bottom rack to the middle rack. The second rack. And let's put this one on top. Next, our job is to set the oven to 400 Fahrenheit, and let's put a 30-minute timer. And right now, we are going to have to wait. So, I'll show you the results soon. After a lot of waiting, the muffins are finally done. So let me get these oven mitts, put them on, and let's go get some muffins. Yes, this is hot. Look at these muffins. Let's go decorate them. Alright, my hands are hot. Well, let's decorate half of the muffins. Let's do this side. Krister, go pick me out a sweet topping. But don't drop it on the muffins. Here we go. And give me a spoon, too. I can't just use my hands. Put it right. Thank you. Let's open it up and grab a little chunk of peanut butter and chocolate. And let's just cover 6 of these 12 muffins with this. I actually should take out 6 of the muffins and put the rest away. 3, 2, 1. Alright, I've successfully managed to remove 6 cupcakes, and let's start decorating. Let's start with this cupcake that we already started with. We finished. Let's put this one away. Grab another one. Get some more chocolate. This is such a great topping. Ah, this is good. Let's see if I can just put this on the muffin. Alright, the third one is done. At this point, I had to speed up because it was a very long and tiring process. Alright, you guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And tell me in the comments what things you think I should do next. Should I bake cookies or should I bake a cake? Tell me in the comments. So then, bye everyone. See you in our next video.